Hello there, my friends. How are you? I'm Bruce Williams. Welcome to my world. Welcome to TalkNet, the nation's backyard. TalkNet, yeah, we go from coast to coast, ocean to ocean, and as well as border to border. We talk about you and your life, your hopes, your ambitions, your dreams, all of the things that make you the very, very special person that you are. Yeah, we share concerns with our neighbors, and frequently, more often than I'd like, very frankly, I don't know the answer to your questions, but I'm very, very fortunate in having a whole bunch of quality experts all around the country that are willing to jump right in, give us a shot, and give us the